because it just did something within me. It moved me in a way that I didn't expect. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I have already cleansed and moisturized my face with the Good Molecules products. And I wanted to come to you because I am getting ready to shampoo my hair. I braided it. But before I do that, I wanted to say thank you, subscribers. Again, thank you. You keep coming through for me. You keep uplifting and encouraging me. There have been times when I've had comments and I didn't know how to reply because it just did something within me. It moved me in a way that I didn't expect. And I could not come up with the words to reply. And I said, I might have to come back. But I think that comment did exactly what it's supposed to do. And not all the time will I have the words to reply. But I say thank you. And if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead. Press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video. That's my invitation to you. I have a 24/7 invitation. The door never closes. And all you have to do is click. So come on and join the Gene G family. Come on and join the family. Now I am getting ready to shampoo my hair. I braided last night. I don't think I'm going to worry about banding it. I think now I might just band some of them together like this. And when I say might and then I grab it, I'm getting ready to do it. So I'm going to do that. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to show you a short clip of how my hair actually looks at the root. How much growth I have gotten in 6 weeks. I am so happy that tomorrow is my retightening appointment that I can't even contain myself. I'm excited, more excited than I usually am about my retightening because I just want to feel secure about my locks. Just want to feel like nothing is going to go wrong. I just want to feel secure that I am not going to lose a lock. That's my husband's phone ringing. He often just leaves it in the house. We're going to let it ring. Somebody will call him back. I'm going to do a 360. But I think before the day is over, I might make this one into 2. But I'm going to wear my hair like this today, take it out tomorrow morning for a braid out before my retightening. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. Yes, I think I'm going to wear them all day till tomorrow morning. Make this one smaller since I'll be wearing them out. Have a great day.